Interview for scholarships. One of the most important process in applying for a scholarship is the trial interview because most of the larger, more specific and prestigious scholarships require an interview before the award is awarded. Apart from detailed application, impressive essays, and letters of recommendation, the scholarship board will want the opportunity to meet with you in person to assess our character and personality. The scholarship board wants to make sure that we are the prime candidate who deserves the scholarship. A job interview is the perfect interview to hone our skills before we face the scholarship review board itself. Others, such as a family member, friend, or teacher, can also guide you through a mock interview by asking the types of questions we will be faced with during the actual interview process. In Slamet's opinion, there are several tips that must be prepared before conducting a Fulbright interview. First of all, keep in mind that the interview is not difficult but not easy either. Be prepared and make sure that you know the time of the interview, the location, and how to get to the interview. If possible, ask who might interview you later. Practice stating answers by asking a teacher, counselor, or friend to read you a list of potential questions. And don't forget to choose nice clothes to wear on the day of the interview. Wearing jeans and shirts to an interview is not a good idea. It would be nice to wear something that might the appropriate for you to wear when doing a job interview. Next is to learn about scholarships. Research online scholarships to see what we've been awarded before. Having knowledge about the scholarship and sharing what we know with the selection committee during the interview is a positive thing. According to Slamet, there are several questions that may be asked when we conduct a Fulbright scholarship interview, including why did you apply for this scholarship? What makes you stand out from other candidates? How will you contribute to your community? Tell us about an event or people in your life who shaped you. Tell me about your academic achievement or aspiration. Tell me about your community involvement. Tell us about yourself. Tell me about your current educational and career goals. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Tell me about a personal achievement that you are proud of. Tell me about a mistake you made and what you learned from it. Who influenced your life and why? Why do you think you are an excellent candidate for this scholarship? Another thing that needs to be prepared according to Slamet is to prepare on our list of questions that we will ask the interviewer and bring the list of questions with you during the interview. Also, think about three things you want the interviewer to say about you and bring them along with you to the interview. The last thing we need to do is remember what our past experience and responsibilities were, then share it with the interviewer.